This video is going to walk a user through how to upload an SRT file to a YouTube video that they own. The first thing to do is to sign into your YouTube account, select your videos, find the video that you want to add a transcript for or a subtitle track. Once you select the video, we can select subtitles, and by default it enters the English language. I'm going to select add, and from here we have an area to upload a file. We are going to choose with timing, select continue. We want to find our caption file, select it. Once we verify that the information is correct, we can select publish. And we now have captions on our video. If you wanted to add captions in another language, you could select add language, find the language you want to upload and select it, then select add, and then follow the same steps to upload a file.